The holy grail of baseball trading cards is the 1952 Mickey Mantle Topps card. In 2021, this card sold for $5.2 million. So you can imagine that getting your hands on one of these cards back in the day was a big deal. In Fitl vs. Strek, a collector discovers that the baseball card he purchased wasn't a home run. Nebraska's highest court considered the seller's defense of insufficient notice. In September 1995, James Fitl attended a sports card show. Fitl thought it was his lucky day when he found a 1952 Mickey Mantle Topps baseball card. The seller, Mark Strek, told Fitl that the card was in near mint condition. Fitl purchased the card for $17,750 and immediately placed the card in a deposit box for safekeeping. Nearly 2 years later, Fitl sent the card to be graded. Unfortunately, multiple graders determined that the card had been altered and was worthless. Fitl immediately wrote Strek, notifying him of the defect. Fitl filed suit against Strek, seeking damages. Strek argued that Fitl's notification wasn't timely. The district court found that Fitl notified Strek within a reasonable time after discovering the defect and awarded Fitl $17,750, plus court costs. Strek appealed to the Nebraska Supreme Court.